Hi and welcome to the Why Choose 3CX Phone System video. In this presentation we'll take a look at the key features and unique selling points of 3CX Phone System. 3CX Phone System is a software-based PBX for Windows based on the OpenSIP protocol. Because 3CX works with SIP, it supports popular SIP phones, VoIP providers and gateways, ensuring you'll never get locked in with one particular vendor. 3CX Phone System is a mature product and installed at more than 20,000 companies worldwide with a combined total of more than 1 million extensions. Our commitment to deliver a quality, innovative and open IP PBX has been recognized many times over, as it has been the recipient of numerous industry awards. One of the unique things about 3CX Phone System is that it doesn't require a proprietary hardware box. Instead, it runs on Microsoft Windows Server and on standard server hardware. This is in contrast to many other IP PBXs today that run on Linux. Businesses run their data networks on Windows, not Linux, and they should be able to run their phone systems on Windows too. What's more, it makes integration with popular Windows applications far easier. 3CX Phone System is the only IP PBX to have passed Microsoft's quality testing for Windows Server 2008 and 2012. The fact that 3CX Phone System is a pure software PBX gives it many advantages over a hardware-based appliance. It's easier to manage and control since it's just another Windows Server application. You can forget about having to learn Linux as well as going through those painful Linux updates. It also scales a lot better, as you can add more phones and lines as you go along, without being limited by the ports or processors of an appliance. You can install it on an existing server or virtualize it on Hyper-V or VMware, and eliminate extra hardware, energy and management costs. You can easily back up your PBX to a disk and restore on another machine in case of hardware failure. Try doing that when your appliance breaks down. Being Windows-based means we can leverage Windows features and its modern development technologies, and therefore we can innovate faster and on a custom-built operating system. It also makes it easier to integrate with existing Windows Server applications such as Exchange. You'll save a lot on telephony costs with 3CX Phone System too. First of all, the 3CX purchase cost is much lower than a traditional PBX. It's also much cheaper to expand, so you won't need expensive expansion ports to add additional lines. To add extensions, just add IP phones or smartphones such as an Android or iPhone device. Since the interface is straightforward, you can easily administer extensions and line settings yourself and save big on consulting and administration fees. You'll also save on your monthly phone bill too. Leverage local VoIP providers or Skype Connect to make low-cost international calls. And if you have branch offices, all inter-office calls can be made free of charge. Same goes for calls to and from remote extensions. You'll see significant savings on your monthly phone bill with 3CX Phone System. 3CX Phone System takes the headache out of managing IP phones. First of all, it can automatically provision all your IP phones and apply changes to their configuration automatically. If you change a configuration option or a password, 3CX will take care of pushing out this change to all the IP phones and smartphones that are connected. It can also automatically configure IP phones with all the extension settings such as the corporate phone book, the message waiting indicator, and the phone's BLF fields. New firmwares for phones are pre-tested by 3CX, ensuring that they all work and are fully compatible with 3CX Phone System. Network administrators can download and apply the firmwares to all the phones in the network with just a few mouse clicks. In addition, the interface allows the administrator to easily reboot or reprovision a phone remotely. 3CX can also configure a phone as a remote extension, meaning that employees can take the phone home with them and easily work. As we can see, 3CX reduces phone administration to next to nothing. 3CX Phone System is quick to install too. Setup will automatically install all components for you. Furthermore, 3CX will support popular phones right out of the box. For instance, you can automatically configure Yealink, Snom or other IP phones with a few mouse clicks. Provision Android and iPhones as extensions via an email attachment. Keep your existing phone lines by using VoIP gateways. Again, these are auto-configured by 3CX and will save you hours of deploy time. Add SIP trunks or Skype Connect via pre-configured templates. 3CX works to automatically configure hardware for you, saving you countless hours during installation. 3CX will also support you in configuring supported hardware. Traditionally, PBXs are difficult to manage. Adding extensions can be cumbersome. Not so with 3CX. The web-based management console makes it possible for administrative staff to manage the phone system without requiring extensive training. Adding extensions, creating rules to forward calls and so on are done in just a few mouse clicks. Employees demand being able to work from anywhere. 3CX phone system delivers unparalleled mobility by allowing users to make and receive office calls from their iPhone or Android devices wherever they are. When a call comes in, both your mobile and office IP phone can ring. Alternatively, you can automatically forward all calls to your mobile phone when you're out of the office. Slash mobile phone bills by leveraging Wi-Fi or 3G to make or answer office calls when you're not in the office. 3CX is also the first PBX to use push technology, which means that 3CX can wake up the phone when a new VoIP call comes in. Push technology saves valuable battery life while still allowing you to be reachable on your extension anywhere. As the calls are being sent via 3CX phone system, users do not need to give out their mobile number either. 3CX's smartphone clients even allow users to easily set up conference calls from their smartphone. You can elevate a call to a conference and add one of your colleagues or an external number, and be up and running with a conference call in literally seconds. 3CX significantly increases productivity with its unified communications features. Employees can see the presence of other users in the office and avoid unnecessary phone calls or transfers, eliminating the dreaded voicemail tag. Receive voicemail and faxes via email wherever you are, and send quick text messages with the corporate IM feature. Users can also set up a conference call with just one click. When in the office, users can increase their productivity by using the 3CX phone CTI mode to control their IP phones from their desktop and initiate calls with a mouse click, rather than manually typing in the phone number. Transfer calls with a mouse click, rather than via the Cryptip phone interface, which differs for each phone. The same goes for conference calls. Users can also view their call history and set their status, letting their colleagues know if they're in or out of the office. With CRM integration, you can automatically launch calls from your CRM package without having to redial the number on the phone. Call journaling tracks all the calls made to a specific contact. Also, when a customer is calling in, an automatic pop-up of the caller's name with their contact record is shown. Integration with Microsoft Outlook comes as standard with 3CX, whilst other CRM packages are supported via additional modules. You can currently connect to Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Sugar CRM, and Sage Act. Other CRMs can easily be supported with the use of the CRM API. 3CX Phone System Pro adds numerous features to the standard edition of 3CX Phone System. It features advanced call center features such as advanced queue strategies and monitoring, service level agreement alerts, listen in, barge in, and the whisper features, as well as queue and agent reporting. 3CX Phone System Pro also integrates with Microsoft Exchange Server. Leverage its voice recognition IVR system. Connect the Exchange global address list or public folders to the 3CX company phonebook and show callers' names on all phones in the office. 3CX Phone System Pro can also connect a user's Exchange contact with their personal phonebook, so you will know who's calling. 3CX Phone System Pro spans its unified communications features across offices by allowing users to see the presence of their colleagues in other offices. If you're in London, you can see if your colleagues in the New York or Singapore office are in or out of the office, or on a call. You can double-click on their name to call or instant message them, as well as transfer calls. Seeing the presence of other offices boosts employee productivity as they can communicate with their colleagues more efficiently. The presence of colleagues within the other offices is displayed in the 3CX phone for Android, iPhone, and Windows clients, providing flexibility and quick access to other office locations. 3CX provides all these advanced features at a very low cost. It's inexpensive to purchase and expand. There's no limit to the amount of extensions you can have on 3CX Phone System, as it's licensed based on simultaneous calls instead. As your business grows, simply upgrade your license key to support more lines. Pricing starts at just €395 or $495 for the 4 simultaneous call version. This price includes all enterprise features such as voicemail, auto attendant, and call queues, smartphone clients, all of which come at an additional cost with proprietary PBX solutions. Download 3CX Phone System today from 3cx.com. For additional information, visit our blog at 3cx.com/blog or our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.